There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus in pitch black. With automatic projector headlamps, sport suspension, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power mirrors and manual foldaways, rear body color spoiler, dual bright exhaust tips, power 6-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjv.com, stock number D5755A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.